We've been spotted.
I'll deal with you all at once!
This is new.
Yeah, no chance of any Levnesses following us inside here.
We can but hope.
We don't know what lies ahead, so let's go carefully.
Indeed. I want to be out of here as fast as possible, but haste can only spell trouble.
This place rich in ore and gemstone. Speed is of essence. All treasure will belong to Riku.
Uh-huh. Riku seem mighty exciting.
Gemstone have many use. They probably useful later to us.
Riku sound unusually enthused. Took to be cool and brooding type.
It's something of a hobby.
Oh, hobby of Manana is cooking.
Riku well aware.
Riku, if we find any nice gemstones, should we bring them to you?
If friends get chance, then please. Gemstone with good potential will be good investment for future.
I don't think we're just gonna happen across priceless gemstones, but okay.
Nopon very pacifistic and don't fight, but would hate not to lend support.
If Manana fight, that mean Manana not become burden?
Don't you worry about things like that. Everyone has their bit to do.
If Manana could interlink, Manana surely to be of good use.
If we could do such thing, would have done ages ago.
Right. Anyway, getting out of these tunnels is the main priority. But let's keep an eye out for any ore along the way. We can't afford to overlook anything that might help us later.
Understood. That good enough.
Yeah, go on. I'll give you a hand.
Even Lance? That turn up for the books.
Always good to have a few favors to call in, yeah?
Riku knew it.
Sweet, let's poke around.
Doesn't look like it's working, guys.
It need electricity. But if no ether cylinder, no electricity.
Let's have a look around, shall we?
That sounds like a plan.
Quit being an idiot and stay back!
Well within tolerance.
That's how you pull off a win.
Yeah. See if we can keep this up.
Whoa, visitors! More enemies! What do we do?
Stay back for now. Group heal.
Cheer up, gang! Glad to hear.
Group heal.
That looks like it stings!
I see you!
Just where it hurts the most.
I don't know how you do it, Kaya.
My epic scream.
Wait! Gotcha!
We're unstoppable with you around,
That
Senna.
was spectacular! I'm the girl with the gall!
We could do with some food.
Right then, should we get a move on?
It moved!
Now, elevator, behave, self.
Nice job, Riku. Always good to have a grease knop on that knows their way around techie things.
This? Piece of pollen orb for Riku.
Okay, let's go.
Looks like this is our way down.
Gah, of course there's monsters.
Oh, well then. Nothing else for it seems.
We don't have time to burn here. Let's ash 'em up, yeah?
Nanana, help with fighting!
Huh? Banana!
Don't be so rash.
Nanana did it!
Oh no! Banana, stop!
Nanana cannot stop hot and mid-spin! Watch out!
Banana, are you okay? Banana, please be okay?
Banana is fine! Only heart go pitter-patter.
Just watching you made my heart go pitter-patter.
Seriously, Manana, that was wild.
Phew. I'm glad you're safe anyway.
See? Banana is good for many much things beside cooking.
Manana rush in like crazy pond just to prove that?
It's important to demonstrate through action.
Manana did not just throw pot, threw whole self along with it.
A special heavy-duty pot, also for self-defense. Exclusive Nopon brand.
That not a thing.
Banana, you have to understand that poor Riku was worried about you.
It's truth.
Not so much truth.
That's very considerate. But Banana is really fine.
Yeah, that's right. Worrying too much isn't good for you either.
Exactly. That's why Riku not worry.
Your blushy little cheeks aren't fooling anyone. Don't be ashamed.
No shame here. Noah, please come to defense of Riku.
You just didn't want your friend to be hurt. Shall we leave it at that? But Riku's right. No more crazy antics in the name of helping each other out, okay?
Banana understand. Not to do crazy antic in future.
Then it's settled. Let us descend.
It should be operable now. Now, we wait.
Banana sure has a wild side, huh?
I was as shocked as you were. Huh? Is it just me, or is that rock sparkling?
Oh, maybe is. No, just ordinary rock.
What about this? I can't tell them apart.
That okay? That's what Riku here for.
It's a good thing you're with us, Riku.
Leave to Riku. First, Riku and friends search area.
Isn't this one?
It look like, but is not. Observe here precisely. Intensity of luster grow dim.
Okay, I believe you.
But is not useless. Keep hold for now.
It's hard to tell the difference between ore and a gemstone.
That's why Riku's were invented, innit?
Let's use this.
This is not...
Oh? This might be valuable at a later time, so we should keep.
Okay, got it.
I didn't realize how much fun it could be looking for ore.
Me neither.
That
I just wish I knew what was
smarts.
what, so I wouldn't feel so useless.
You itching to get wrecked?
Enemy reinforcements!
Good heal! They're sparking me yet. I need you, Mio! Power edge thrust!
Overfall!
Heavy jump!
My apple
Dragon tail!
I gotta push through this.
Oh, you! Haste figure! Slash!
Dragon tail!
Keep it up.
We'll figure it out.
Drop us another.
Am I doing okay with the heal? Thanks, Max.
good at fixing things.
Cheers for that.
No contest.
This is what we're made for. Yeah.
Is this like a rare thing? Hey, I found one!
No, this is not right. But it's useful, so Riku take it.
You think we're really gonna find whatever Riku's after?
It doesn't seem like we'll find anything here. We might have to go deeper.
I hope we can make use of this.
Hey, this one means business.
They're on us. Orders? They're on us. Orders?
This is looking good.
I need you, Mia! I gotta push through this.
Healing's on the way! Hold on! Hit 'em over and over!
I'll have to get on your level.
Work that, Kion!
Unison!
Overfall! Alright, things are getting good. You still okay?
I'll have you up and at 'em in no time. Got all the healing you need right here, and Lance clinches it.
Ah, give me a break. We all worked hard for that.
Well, this certainly opened up.
Right, Mimi? It's pretty mind-blowing.
Whoa, got a rare doodah right here.
Such is the Officer's duty.
Riku seemed to find great joy in rocks. He picked up so...
Gemstone and ore are different from normal rocks scattered around. And ore we pick up from before have great utility.
Manana not rock scientist.
You could identify them all, Riku. You sure know a lot about rocks.
Riku know thing or two.
Don't be modest. You've got skills, mate. You should be an appraiser.
Cease with flattering.
It's not flattery, it's good to have a hobby.
Manana in agreement.
It's pretty good that we were able to come out rock collecting, huh, Riku?
Ore and gemstone, not rock. From supply material to maintenance work, that's Riku's job. It's solemn responsibility to keep important equipment in tip-top order so everyone can come back alive. Just doing own job, not like Lance.
You what? I'm pretty much, almost, sort of doing it.
Wow, you really give yourself a lot of responsibility, Riku.
Too much talking. Out of Riku's character.
Not at all. Understanding each other better isn't a bad thing, is it?
That right! Become better friends is important.
We need to learn more about each other to become better friends, right?
That's exactly true. Learning about each other, very important deal. Ah, Manana has idea. Next, Manana will show favorite thing.
Next, it's not about taking turns.
Baked breath in readiness. Manana show you her specialty. You learn soon. Over there is good place. Time for break.
Better give it a good once over.